My name's Pamplin. I'm a Global Supply Chain Operations Manager for Procter & Gamble. The conference is going really well. We've got over 150 women here for the 2 days and frankly the conversation and the level of questioning is just fantastic. Hopefully we'll really encourage women to stay with their passion and continue their career in engineering. What I particularly enjoy about engineering is frankly it's the solving of problems, and whether they're technical problems or organisational problems, for me it's just the mindset. It's providing a structured way to provide solutions. Procter & Gamble is specifically focused on now recruiting engineers for engineering roles. We absolutely want to have women, men who really have the ability to work in teams, to absolutely be very good and consistent in how they approach problems and fix problems. We actually recruit any engineers because for us it's actually the mindset that we're looking for. So we'll employ civil engineers, chemical engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers. Frankly, it's just making sure that we really have people who have an ability to fix problems and work in teams. I think the key thing for WES is really to make sure that we encourage women to stick with their passion. Too often I think in this world it's too easy for women to have a look at what an alternative is, and yes, there are so many barriers that we need to help women to overcome and recognise it's not difficult. And we just need to help remove some of those barriers. For me, one of the key things is to ensure that we help women balance it. And it is difficult. There isn't an easy solution, but one of the things that I'm trying to do and I'm passionate about is to help women understand what is important to them and that it is possible to look at how we can juggle all three things, whether it's your life, your work or your family. I think that one of the things that's been really important to me is just to take stock occasionally and really think about what's important to me now, because it does change, and for me I've absolutely tried to do that at a regular point in time and make sure that actually for that particular time I've got the right balance and I'm happy with that balance, and if I'm not, I can then really understand, right, okay, is it something at work or at home that's frustrating me? But it's important to take that time to reflect every now and again, and that's what I do. The reason why Procter & Gamble is supporting the conference is absolutely we see a big gap in making sure that we're filling up the engineering numbers and we're filling and encouraging women into engineering. We absolutely see at the factory that women really add and bring value to the business, and we really need to make sure that we're doing things all along the education, the career line to encourage women into engineering and into Procter & Gamble.